So how to fix image playground not showing or working on your iPhone? So for this you have to complete some requirement. First requirement is you have to update your phone with latest iOS 18.2. You see, I already update with latest iOS 18.2. If you go the software update, then you can see the beta version. Just update it. And second thing is you have to enable your Apple Intelligence as well. So once both done, then if you go your Play Store and search image playground, then you can see the image playground option. So if you don't see this option, I can see if you don't see this option, so you have to go back your main profile and press on iCloud account here. Then you must need to use United States as a region. If you don't have United States iCloud, you have to create as United States or change as United States. So once you change it as United States, then if you go back and search on your Play Store, then you can see image playground apps. Just open, then you can access your image playground easily. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.